Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a cleaning out my car video. Unfortunately, I have to get rid of my car. Too many things are just happening to it and I just have to get rid of it and just save up for a new car. But I thought it'd be fun to clean out my car with you guys and see like what do I have in this car that I don't even know about. So that should be fun. So I don't know where to start, honestly. There's just like so much going on. I'm just like liking the air conditioning because I'm like really hot. So I guess we could start in this little glove compartment. Okay, so I can take the charger out. I have my USB. The charger I could take out of here. I have gum because you know when I didn't even open this gum. Oh my god, it's so sunny. Oh, whatever. Actually, Zoe gave me this gum, and this one my grandma actually got me. So, oh look, I have another one of the thingies that you guys are on right now. I don't know. These like don't really work well with my car. They like fall. So. Oh look, I have a little Halloween thing. This is cute. Oh, my mom got me this at like the dollar store. This was so adorable. I have another one of these USB slots, and I feel like someone's watching me make this video, so yeah. Okay, now that that guy left, I have a hair clip in here. I have a chip clip. I don't know why I have this, but I do. I have a little like those 25-cent machines. This has like the ravens on them. I don't know. Handball. Oh god, I have like garbage. A little little push pin. This, I don't know what this is, and I think this is for my tire, so we'll leave that there. It's very dirty, but that's fine. That's why we're cleaning it. So I guess now, like, I just have random. Yeah, who knows what that is. What is this? Oh, this is garbage too, so we're gonna get rid of that. I have this little bar taco mattress in here. Matches in here. That's cute, so I'll put them in the bag. I have my little mango, which held my phone up. And yeah, so that's that for there. We are going to the glove compartment, if I can open it. Okay, so I have a lot of stuff there. Okay, so let's see what we had there. So I have this little Kylie keychain I got from like one of the packages. Keep that. I have this little book. Actually, when I was with my friend Zoe, we went to this little event that her job was hosting. So we just got this little notebook. Okay, funny story. I have a walkie. I worked at Party City for like 3 years, and these were always just like clipped onto the pants, like, you know, we need to use them. And I must have just took it home. It's dead, so it's not like you could talk to anyone. So yeah. What am I gonna do with this? Like, I don't know, I guess I'll keep it. We left some tape. What am I gonna do with this? This tape is like garbage. I have some pens and pencils and Sharpie. I will keep. Ooh, these are my favorite. I have these little like floss thingies. I like always use them just like, you know, on the go. Speaking of Party City, here's my name tag. This is me. I have 2 cubes in here. Look, everyone can use a cube. I have my mirror. Like, it used to be stuck to like those mirrors on the side, but I didn't really use that. I have the air pressure thing, like for your tires. I have another, oh wait, I have another like 2 of these. 2 like car USB things. Oh my god, talk about 3, never mind 3. I have air freshener holder from Bath and Body Works. I have, oh my god, this is like a little replacement bulb for the back of my for like the lights in the back, I think by the license plate. So these are here. Another pen. I had Advil in here. Honestly, these are just like, this is my registrations and license, whatever. These are just my free car washes, and yeah. yeah, I don't know what this is, but this is something. So, beats me. I'm just gonna put it in the bag. And this paper thing. I'm gonna take off my Easy Pass. Bye bye Easy Pass. And okay. So actually right here, I don't know if you can see, but like right there, I have my little like decoration thing that I should take out too. So I have a hair tie here, a little elephant for my friend's 316. I have a car freshener, Patrick, and my tassel from high school. Yay! So I got it off. That's that. So that's going in the bag. Oh God, I'm sweating. I'm like literally so hot. Here's a little hair tie that's on my gear shift. Okay, so I have garbage in the passenger seat. That's nice. Okay. So up here I have a picture and an air freshener. So this is the picture of me and my boyfriend when we went to the Bronx Zoo. And this is a little cute penguin air freshener. Oop, that's time to go. Well, I'm just gonna put it here. And then let's see, anything here? No. Where else would I have like stuff? Do I have sunglasses in here? No sunglasses. Oh, I just have like change in there, so I gotta get rid of that. Oh my God, I have an earring in here, which it's like really tiny. I don't know if you can tell. It's like so tiny. Just throw it in there, whatever. I just have an umbrella that I gotta take. Oh man, I have a bag right here. I have like so many bags right here that I should take out of there. This thingy like was with the car, so whatever. Garbage here. Oh my God, Patrick. Oh my God, Patrick. Patrick is here. Going to the trunk. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I have like nothing in here already, so that's gonna be easy. Just need this thing and my snow thing. Oh, I actually have this like thing over here that keeps pads, so we're gonna have to take those out. Yeah, nothing under here, so we're gonna take this out. This. So that is, I think, everything in my car that I just cleaned out, and I just have it in these bags over here. Let me just like double check. I feel like I probably would be forgetting something, but I'll probably double check with my mom again. Yeah, the car's filthy, so yeah. I just gotta take the coins out, and that's really everything in the car. So I'm like sad because like this was my first car. My parents got me this car 3 years ago, a little more than 3 years ago, and like this has been my car. If you didn't know, I have had a 2004, I believe, Nissan Pathfinder, and it's in white. It is like an old car. Like you could definitely tell it's an old car. So it's time to get a new one. I have been saving for that, so that's like another video. I'm gonna miss this car. Like I truly am. Like this got me so many places. This got me to Cape Cod, to Philly, to Hershey Park, to my boyfriend's house in Brooklyn every week, to the Bronx Zoo, the Botanical Gardens, to the city, to Connecticut, like so many places. I am very grateful that my parents did give me my first car. Now I think I just have to take off the sticker for the parking at my school, and then we should be good, and probably take off the like registration, the sticker and inspection stickers and everything. So yeah, my car really just, so many things were just wrong with it. It was just so pointless to keep putting money into it. I might as well just not have a car and just save for a new car, which would make more sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was basically just me cleaning, but that's fine. People like watching that, right? Bye guys.